So once again, good morning all. So this is the video lecture on module 4, that is trees. Okay. So in module 4 we are discussing with trees. So in previous class we have gone with a tree representation, using array and linked list. So that will be the next. We have seen properties of binary tree. Next we have seen representation of binary tree, like that. Okay. So in today's class, we are going to see about, so what is the contents of this today class. It is the binary trees. So under binary tree, we will be seeing linked representation of binary tree that we have discussed already in the previous class. So we have seen two types of representation. One is the array representation and the other one is linked list representation of binary tree. So next you will go with a new concept, very important concept for exams. So it is binary tree traversals. So travel from root node to leaf node. So that we call it as a binary tree traversal. So in that we have inorder, preorder and postorder traversal. So after that, now we will go with a drawing binary tree by giving two traversals. So that means you are going to construct a new binary tree according to different types of traversal. So after that, now we have binary search trees. So under binary search trees, you will go with two operations. One is the insertion, the other one is deletion operation. Okay. So in that, so first we are going to revise the new concept. So this concept is already been seen. So that is linked representation of binary tree. So which is the linked representation of the binary tree that we shall see in this particular slide. So this we have already discussed it in previous lecture. So there you have gone with a array representation. The other one is linked list representation. So under array representation, we have gone with the array concept, but this is the linked representation. So how the linked list represent will be done. So as you all know, so there are different types of linked list. So first one is singly linked list, second one circular linked list, next you get doubly linked list. Okay. So now you have to come which linked list you are using. So in our concept to represent the binary tree, so see the binary tree will be represented with root node and left child and right child. So data we consider it as root node. So left child we have 1 and right child we have 1. So that's why we take it as, so left child is a 1 pointer, right child is the 1 pointer and data is the node. Okay. So for that we are going to take doubly linked list. So doubly linked list will consist of a pointer called previous pointer and a pointer called next pointer. So previous pointer we consider it as left subtree and the next pointer we consider it as right subtree. Okay. So binary trees are stored in the memory called as linked list. These lists have nodes that aren't stored at adjacent and they are linked to each other through parent-child relationship. Okay. So how you represent the linked list representation? Now you see using the structure. So struct is the keyword followed with the structure name. What is the structure name? It is bin tree. So in that you are having, one is the left pointer that is similar to previous pointer. Next you have data field, that is information in linked list, and then you have next pointer. Next pointer we consider it as right. Okay. So for this tree we have constructed a linked representation. So first you are starting with a. So A is here, left subtree on left, that means on left subtree you are having B and on right subtree you are having C. Again on left you are having D, on right there is nothing, C, on B there is nothing. So that's why we have put it here as into mark. So similarly come for right part. So right part we have C. So from C, on left you have E, on right there is nothing. So this is the E representation, this one is nothing. So from E, again you are having two. One is left is F, right is G. So on left you find F, on right you find G. So this is the linked representation of a binary tree. How I hope you understand. Are you getting? So now that is the linked representation. So next, what is the next concept we have after the linked representation? It is binary tree traversal. So binary tree traversal, now we shall go with the next topic. So this is the binary tree traversals. Okay. So under binary tree, we have three types. So one is the inorder traversal, the other is the preorder traversal, and the last one is postorder traversal. Okay. So see how you are going to travel. So traversal means, so it is the meaning of travel from root to leaf node. So how you travel from root node to leaf node, that is called as a traversal. So traversal will be represented in binary tree. So now you come for this. So traversal algorithm visit or process nodes in binary search tree. So you can take it as binary tree only, it's enough. So if in that, which is the first one? In order traversal. So in order means first it will travel left, next it will travel right, next first left, next is root followed with right, left, root, right. So this is the in order traversal. So in order means first you will get left, root and right. So that's why we tell it as we print the left subtree, then we print the root, and then we print the right. Okay. So next you come for the pre-order traversal. Under pre-order, first root will come. So next you will get left and next you will get right. So you can remember. So how to remember this one, that I will tell you. So in order, you can have the word in between. So keep the root as the main part. Okay. So when you keep the main root as the main part, first you see in order means root comes in between left and right. So pre-order means root will come before left and right. Post means after. So root will come after left and right. So this is the concept. Okay. So keep the root node. In order means root will come in between root left and right. Pre-order means root will come before left and right. So post order means it will come after left and right. Okay, so this is the thing you can remember. Okay, so this is the tree we have taken. So now we shall go with the example. Consider the given three nodes A, B, R. Okay, where R is the root. Okay, so in order traversal, in order means root will come between left and right. So root will be in between left and right. So first comes A, next root, next right. So come for pre-order. Pre-order means root, left, right. What is the root? Root is R, then comes left A, then comes right B. Okay, so similarly you come for the post order. So root will be at last. So first comes A, next comes B, next comes root. So are you? So this is the traversal techniques. So now you consider this one. Consider the second diagram. Now you have to write in order, pre-order and post-order for that. Okay. So first you come for the in order traversal. So in order means which will come? Root will come First left, next root, next right. So come here, here it is starting from root. So again, here it is starting with, it is also a root because it may be a left, but it contains children. So where is the left child? Left child is D. So first you will get left child, that is G, D. Next right child, that is G. Next you will go for B. Are you understanding? So in order means first you have to go with the left, then comes root, then comes right. So you are starting with A. So this is the root. So go for its left. So on left you have B, on right you have C. So as B contains its children, again go, this becomes root. So at that time you go with the leftmost. After D, D is the leftmost. Okay. So D will be printed. So after D, you will get G. So D with, so this is the left. Okay. So this one you will be getting, this is again will have children. So that's why you see this is the leftmost you are printing. Next you will go with a rightmost because it can't, no left is there. So again go with a right. So next you will get B. Okay. So next after that you go with the root A. So now you come for the right part. So after A, now this is again root. So this one will have two children. This is again root. This is the left part, but it is again root. So that's why we take it this part. So left is H, then you go with a root is E, then you go with a right is I. So this is left, root, right. Left is H, root is E, right is I. Then you again go with root with right. So this is the in order. So come for the pre-order traversal. Pre means root, left, right. So first you come for the root. Root is A. Next you go with the left. Left is D. Next you go with again this contains right. So that's why you have gone with a D and finally with a G. So A, B, D, G followed with C, E, H, I, F. So this is the pre-order traversal. So after that, now you come for the post. So post means first comes left, next comes right, next comes root. So first left, no left is there. First you are getting right, right is G. Then you go with the root D. Next you get, this is the left, that is B. Next again, lastly comes A. So H, I, F, E, C, A. So this is the post-order traversal. So now you come for the algorithm. So how you perform in order of tree. So in order of tree means traverse. First you will traverse left. So next you will visit root. Then you traverse right. So this is the algorithm given for the binary tree traversals. So algorithm that is in order of tree. So traverse the left subtree, that is called in order of left subtree. Next visit the root. Next traverse the right subtree. So that is called in order of right subtree. So similarly you have to write left, root, right. This one root, left, right, and finally post order left, right, root. So this is the algorithm you have to write. Now you come for the programming part. So programming part is simply, it is easy. Word in order of tree. Okay. So if it is tree, first you come for the in order. First it will traverse left subtree. So that's why we will give in order tree then left. Next it will visit root. So root is nothing but tree then data. Next it will traverse right subtree. So that's why we have given in order of tree then right. So this is the recursive functions we are writing. Okay. So here it is. Here it is recursive. Okay, so this is the recursive inorder, preorder, and postorder functions we have writing. Understanding? So this is very, very important. So you have to go through. So when you call a function is recursive, when it calls itself. So here you see function name is inorder. It is again calling in order of tree then left and in order then tree then right. So that's why we call this one as recursive function. Now you come for the preorder traversal. Same thing, just you interchange. If tree, first you will print root, next you will print left, next you will print right. So same thing. So come for the post order also. Post order if tree, post order left, right, followed with the data. So this is the algorithm for traversal. So now you take this particular thing. So now can you write the in-order, pre-order and post-order for the given trees? So can you write the in-order seeing this? Can you write the traversal? Anyone? Are you people there? So come for the first one. So first you go with a pre-order traversal. So pre means, so start from here. So pre means before. Pre means before, post means after. So pre means first how you get, first you will get root, next you will get left, next you will get right. So come for this one, pre-order traversal. First you will get root. So first root is A. So next left. So left is again, it is containing two children. So first you will get B, that is root. Next you will get D. So next you come for the right part. So right part you are having C is the right part. So but C is the again root. So how you will be writing? Root. Again this one is root, left, right. So first you will get C. Next here you see. So how you get this one? As C is the root. So again you go with E. So next comes E. Next left is H. Right is I. Next you get F. So this is the pre-order traversal. So after that, now you get on to the post. So in order. So in order traversal. So in order means in between. Okay. So first you get root is A, B, first you will get D. D, next you will get B. So next after that, after D, after B. So see here, in order means first left, then goes root. After that, you will be getting right part. So right part you have C, but C is again will have left, right. So E is again having left, right. So in order means first you will get H. So next you will get E, next I, next you will get C, next you will get F. Sorry, F. So A, D, B, H, E, I. Finally you will get, sorry, A. So that is the in order traversal. So come for the post order. So coming for post means left right route. So left is first you will get D, next you will get right is C. So C will again go down, left is H, right is I, then you get E, next you get F, next you get C, next you get A. So this is the pre-in post-order traversal. So similarly for this one, for the binary tree 2, you have to do. Okay. Now you come for the next thing, that is draw binary tree by giving two traversals. So here it is very important. Kindly you see this one. So they have given the two traversal, pre-order they have given and in order they have given. So pre and in are given, post is not there, but you have to do. So solution with a description I am giving here, kindly you see. In pre-order, A, if it is first node, so we place A in. So how comes the pre-order? First comes root, then comes, so I will tell you, first root, then comes left, then comes right. So this is the sequence for that one. So root, left, right. So in order means how you will be getting left, right, root. So in order, first you will get left, next root, next comes right. So this is the sequence for in order traversal. So solution for that now we shall see. In pre-order if it is first node, so we place A in the root. So we place A in the root. In order, A is the last. So all the nodes are left to A. So in order, A is the last. Okay. So for that we go with all the nodes are left to A on left. So in pre-order, next is B. So we add B in left of A. So we add B in left of A. So in order, we mark the B. In order, we mark the B. E, I, so in order, E, I, C, F, J. C, F, J are left to B, or left to B. So keep in your mind. So E, I, C, F, J are left to B, and G, D, K, H, L are in the right to B. So in order, C is after B. In order, C is after B, so you will come left. So we add C to the left of B. So in order, E and I are left to C and F and J are right to C. So you have to compare these two and you have to write. Okay. So that's why now we tell in order E and I are left to C. E and I are left to C and F and J are right to C. So E and I are left to E and I are left to C and F and J are right to C. So that's why we write left and J are right to C. So I is right to E and J is right to F. So for this you have to understand carefully. So you can, if you can come to the class, you can understand it. So otherwise it may feel difficult for you to. So now finally we have to add nodes right to B above concept. So nodes right to B. So you will be having D, G, H, K, L. So see here. So you are having D, G, H, K, L, everything on right. So this is the binary tree. So traversal for drawing a binary tree by given two traversals. So now you come take the same thing, draw the binary tree by given two traversals. This I have taken the entire diagram. So pre-order. So pre-order you see A, next you will get after E. So what are all the things you are getting, that you place each and everything on left part. So for pre-order, A you have taken, A is there here. After A, what are all the things you have in order, you place everything in the left subtree. Okay, so after B, now you are having B. So if you take B, so what remains? CFJ will come to the left and GDKHL will go to the right. So this is the representation you can take. So after that, now you have to go with this particular concept. After B, what you can get? C. On left part you have E and I. E and I will come. After C you are getting FJ. FJ will come to right. So similarly, you come for the B part. So GDKHL. So that will be given like this. So GDKHL. So that you have to go through this particular steps. So solution I am taking here again. So in pre-order traversal sequences, left, root, left, right. So A is the root node. So in order traversal, you get root, left, left, root, right, and A is shown at last node. So A is again the root node. In pre-order, next node is B, so B is left to A. In order, EICF and J are left to B, and GDKHL are must be right to B. So if you sort that one, you will get this particular binary tree. Understood? So this is up to binary tree with its traversals. So use this link to answer your attendance. So only 46 members are present. Only they need to answer the attendance fill. Answered the attendance. So this is the video lecture. So what we have seen on binary tree and its traversals. So kindly go through the algorithms and you work on that particular tree concepts. So if you want to see this particular videos, you can subscribe to my channel and you can like, share and subscribe to my channel so you get the most interesting the concepts. Okay, so this is up to this particular lecture. Thank you.